Hi traders, today is 24th of October 2019. We are now live the Trading Crude Oil Market. So in this video I will show you how I do trading. So at this moment we have one signal from my live signal broadcast channel. So there is a buy signal at 55.68. Should be the last round for the bullish movement, I guess, for the current trendy bullish movement. So the TP target is 56.12, so should be around 52 ticks, and the stop loss is 48, so should be around minus 20 ticks on the losses. So that's the target price level for today. So let's wait. So this one, the market on the negative side, so let's take a look back. So this is our entry. The TP is at 48, somewhere there, and this is our entry average at 70. So still waiting for the market to have a better price movement on the upper side. So the price have reached to the positive side for a while, then drop back. So I need to be careful. All right, let's check a look on the volume. As for now, we haven't seen a major spike on the volume, so quite average around 50, 40, 20. It's quite typical for the opening of the London session. So based on my signal as well, I name it as a London session signal, which is the most of the volume will come a bit late, maybe around 10 or 11 London local time, and that's when the major of the price movement will kick in. But we receive the signal from my setup is far more earlier, so we go into the market a bit earlier today. Okay, on the bottom side there's large volume waiting at 55.40. Actually this doesn't seems good because we are on the bullish movement. The signal trigger just now is for bullish movement. We go for a buy, so let's wait. So at this moment you can see the market stood at around negative side, so we have to wait. Maybe this will take a few more hours. We have been in the market for 1 hour, maybe another 2 hours should be exit. Okay guys, I think have to wait some more, although this nearing our the stop loss, but let's wait. Okay guys, we are back on track. So back to the level we enter the market, to the level of the signal. So you may add in extra position size if you willing to take more risk. So we are expecting if the price hit this level, then we'll go for the bullish movement. So I believe now the candle also turned green, so be back on track. So I'm expecting for it to go for the bullish movement for the next 45 minutes. This is what I'm expecting, and the TP target is somewhere here. Although the price may go trigger more, but have to be prepared where to exit the market. So I have to, okay, now the price back to the price level. Hopefully you can go further up at more faster rate. So I have to queue my profit target. So based on my live trading channel, so there will be profit target at 56.12. So I will queue at that area. So 56.12. Okay, that's it. FQ for my profit target. So this is the entry. So hopefully the price will go for this price to be target. So we'll continue later this video live. Doesn't look good. Hopefully the price keep remain on the positive sides. So back to the negative sides right here. So this is the target for today. Entry, TP, and this is our stop loss. So let's wait for another 1 hour to see what's the outcome, whether to hit the stop loss or remain on the bullish side. Alright traders, we resume back again. So one position already been stopped, so I'm still holding one position and then requeue to add in for two position size. So still at the negative 210 open PNL, and we're still using the same strategy. The same setup trigger signal, which is at 55.68 and exit at 56.12. So the price might get higher. So let's wait and see. In terms of the volume at this moment, let's take a look. So let's take a look on the higher sides. There's one large volume queuing at 55.69. As you can see, it's quite clear here that there's a good demand for this current price level. We're still bullish on the market with the estimation for the last cycle of the bullish movement. So let's wait and see. Okay, so far there's no spike in the volume on the higher side. I'm expecting there's 56.00 and also 56.10 should be a good price exit level. We're still maintaining the same strategy. The same setup. This is what happened in the last 30 minutes. So one position got stopped somewhere here, and then we re-enter the market to go for the bullish movement. The price might get higher, but should exit at this point should be enough, because there might be a reversal of minor pullback later on. So at this moment looks good. We break even, almost break even. Now it's minus 10 US dollar. We have two position size. I believe the major pullback already done, so now we are moving to the upper side. So I think most probably in the next 1 hour time we will see the major price movement from the London volume, which might enter any moment soon. Okay, we are back. Seems like the price now entering the 6 a.m. New York time, so London time should be a good one for the volume to kick in. I'm expecting for the strong bullish movement any moment soon within this time of 1 hour interval, and we still roll in the negative, but not much. 100 minus 150 US dollar. So let's wait for another maybe 45 minutes or 50 minutes to find if the direction is a correct direction. Still holding one lot position and re-enter the market at the same price level of 55.16. But any moment the price might break out. This is the nearest high. The hidden volume is expected somewhere here, slightly lower. So past this line will be a good buy indication on the bullish movement. Okay, let's wait and see. Okay guys, after 30 minutes the price remain at even price level to our entry, so there's a high chance for the market to flew higher. This is what I'm expecting at this moment. So let's take a look on the volume for the higher price level. By the way, I'm opening 3 station at this moment. There's a live account, 100 account, and also my TST account. So it's a bit heavy. I think I need to close one of my platform. Things looks good at this moment. Current PNL is positive. Overall still minus because one position been closed, hit the stop. So let's hope the price keep remain bullish for the next 1 or 2 hours. I mean hopefully before the US session begin, especially from the New York time. So time now is 6:40 a.m. in the morning New York time. On the hourly chart, looks quite promising that the market have a large tendency for the big last move on the bullish side. So we still remain the same TP price, the same entry, the same stop loss. Alright guys, we resume back again. Has been 1 hour from our last record. So the price did move on the higher side as expected, and now we are on the positive side, and we are back to the positive PNL for today. And now profit is 350. Keep climbing 310 to 90. So I have to advise the traders to remove stop loss to the new one as a trading stop at 55.57. So trailing stop at 55.57. Sorry, 57 should be a good one for this trade protection. So by the way, there is a link below in the description. You can click to join this live trading channel. Okay, looks good. Let's go back to the chart. Okay, still waiting for the price to reach our profit price target, which is at 56.12, 56.110, 56.09 price level. It's not far. A few more ticks. So the profit now is 290. So by the way, this is a smaller time frame. Looks very positive at this moment. We have removed our stop loss somewhere here, and this is our entry. So there's more room to go to the upper side. So let's wait. This trade is quite tough. It has been a few hours since our first entry. Just wait. It's good at this moment. Profit now is 490 US dollar. So just focus on this one. 490. There's a strong bullish candle can be seen at this moment. The price jumped to 55.93. So we have about 16 ticks to go to hit our TP. So there's the today average PNL also already positive. So the price did go on the higher price movement. So on the larger time frame looks pretty nice. So there's yesterday high, not far. I think we will take out our position at this point. So let's wait. We must exit before the US session begins. So because there's a high possibility a large volume from USA will counter trend or make a reversal. Who knows? But we are in the good direction at this moment. So let's have more patience. So maybe in 30 minutes time we can close this position. So we are now entering a new candle. Time now is 8:01 a.m. New York time, New York local time. So I believe some of the US session volume already kick in. Hopefully the price keep remain to the upper side. So we are not far. 10 12 more ticks to our TP target. So let's be patient. Although there's one trade already hit the stop somewhere here, but then I have two position, one remaining, and we requeue back based on my suggestion as well. So requeue for re-entry. Okay, profit now is about 520 US dollar. So any moment the price might jump much more faster, could be. Let's wait for 33 more minutes. Okay, as I spoke just now, there's a volume kicking from US session, but the volume did tend to the other way around. We can see there's a red candle here for US session from the New York time 8 at 8 a.m. But still, we still hold our positions. Profit now dropped from 510 just now to 390 US dollar in profit. Still, the price target remain the same. If the price reverse back fully, then we'll exit the market at break even, which is much more better. Alright traders, time now is 8:49. We are entering another US session volume kick in. The price have been turning down but suddenly came up. You can detect there is a high. Oh, there's a spike. There's a spike. So hit. We hit profit. We hit profit. We hit all profit. Oh, now my computer is jammed. Suddenly the price spike. Yeah, I'm not sure why. Because US session haven't yet started. Haven't yet started. But the price go early. It's time to send out the signal. TP. So profit of from my side 660 US dollar. Oh, I'm still holding one position. Shit, is it? Is it? Okay, it's a bit chaos because market did react unexpectedly while recording this, you can see that the market suddenly jumped very high, and it then so I close all position. You can see here all position has been closed. It was a good one. So price did continue to further up, so I should send out the signal. So we hit TP, profit of how many ticks? Just did 12, 32, 44. Should be plus 44 ticks. It was a good one. End of session today, so I think we resume back again. So for those just watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel, like, share, or comment, or ask the question. So there's a link below in the description for this live trading signal, so feel free to join in. Should be a good one. Okay, let's take a look on the total profit is I think 640. The profit is 640. Just focus on the middle one. The price still climbing up. Even my laptop at this moment a bit slow because of the three platform suddenly shows the high jump on the price. Only trading. Okay, I think that's all for today. 140 US dollar in profit. It was a good one, although it took about 5 hours. Tough trade, but it ends very well. So see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.